There are so many kitchen gadgets out there. What do you really need? In this video, we're gonna talk about a few staples that you need to set yourself up for success when meal prepping or cooking some healthy dishes, and some other gadgets that you might be excited to give a try. I didn't realize I needed those until I got them. All right, let's talk about some staples first. A crock pot, a muffin tin, a baking dish, and a baking sheet, as well as just a skillet pan to put on the oven. Those are some staples that we would want to have when we're cooking most of the Healthy Steps nutrition recipes. Now, there's some other gadgets that have been super helpful with changing up the texture and just making things a little bit easier. An oil sprayer is one of them. Every time you spray it, it's only 1/4 of a teaspoon, so it really cuts down the excess added oil that you might put on things like roasted vegetables or putting in a pan. It also allows you to easily measure how much you're adding to a food when you're cooking it. The air fryer. This allows things to get nice and crunchy. They are delicious. Foods are great in the air fryer, especially if you like that little crunch or you're looking to reheat something and give it a little bit more texture. Mason jars are a great option for making overnight oats. There are a lot of different overnight oat recipes on the website, which is a really good option for a balanced on-the-go breakfast. Are you looking to diversify in the kitchen and add some more tools to your toolbox, some more gadgets? Give those a try and let us know what you think.